Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 9.2 plus number 1, multiply the binomials. We know that binomials means two terms. So we are going to multiply these two terms along with these two. So first multiply is a question. So the and should be replaced by the multiplication sign. That means that is 2x plus 5. We are going to multiply with 4x minus 3. That is the first step. Now this is the first term 2x. This 2x should be multiplied with the second term, the whole term. So we have to write it as 2x multiplied by 4x minus 3. That is the first step. Then this plus 5 should multiply with the second term. So plus 5 into 4x minus 3. This is how we should write. First term into the second one whole and the second number into the second one whole you should write. Now we have to multiply inside. 2x into 4x will give you 2 4s are 8. X power 1 when you are multiplying x squared will come. The same 2x should be multiplied with 3 also. So 2 3s are 6 and this x also will be written together. So 6x. Same way this is a 5 given outside, that should be multiplied with both the numbers given inside. 5 4s are 20, plus is there, so plus 20x and plus into minus minus, 5 3s are 15. Now only the like terms we have to add it. X squared only one term is available, it will come as it is. So these two are x terms, they are like terms actually. Minus 6 plus 20 will give you plus 14x. 1 is plus 1 is minus, definitely we have to subtract. Finally should give the big number sign, that's why plus 14x. This minus 15. Now all the three terms are unlike terms, so we cannot do anything. So we have to stop up to this. We'll do one more problem. Now we have the different methods from here. Anyway you can do this like this also. Here a small hint I am going to give you. Look at the number 2.5L minus 0.5M. 2.5L plus 0.5M. Both are looking same. 2.5 0.5, 2.5 0.5. One is a minus number, the another one is a plus number. So we can say that the problem is looking like a minus b is going to multiply with a plus b, because the first term also same and the second term also same. In between sign alone it is changed. Whenever you are getting a problem like this can be written as a squared minus b squared. This is a formula we have in algebra, very important formula. So whenever you are getting a term like this a minus b into a plus b, just write it a squared minus b squared. Now in the place of a we have 2.5L minus in the place of b we have 0.5m, and the same way here multiple by 2.5L plus 0.5m. Now our answer will be a place we are getting 2.5L the whole squared minus b value 0.5m the whole square. Like this we should write. Now squaring 2.5 square, you just do it as 25 square. 25s are 625. Here one number is there after the point. When we are squaring 2.5 into 2.5, so we have to keep the dot after two places. That is 2.5 multiplied by 2.5. Here one number we have totally. After the decimal totally we have two number, that's why we are keeping the dot here. When you are squaring L, it will become L square minus this one. You just think over it, 0.5 into 0.5. We know that 5 5s are 25. Before 0 doesn't have any value. Now after writing 25, should place the dot. After the point, here we have one number, here we have one number. Totally we have two numbers after the point. So the point should be placed here. Before no number is there, you should write it with 0. 0.25, here m is there, so you should write it as m squared. That is your correct answer. We'll do one more problem for better understanding. Last problem. 3 by 4 a squared plus 3b squared and 4 into a squared minus 2 by 3 into b squared. So here they have given one 4 also outside, that also should be multiplied inside first. Here they are asked you to find the product. Let us write the first term as it is. That is 3 by 4 a squared plus 3b squared is the first term. And is given, but the question is given as multiply. So change it into multiply. This 4 is given outside, that should be multiplied inside first. 4 into a squared, 4a squared, and 4 2s are 8 by 3 b square, like this we are getting. Now we are getting two binomials. Now we have to multiply as it is. First, the first term should be taken, that should multiply with the second one. That is 3 by 4 a squared should be multiplied with 4a squared minus 8 by 3 b squared, first term, and plus the second term is 3b squared. So 3b squared should multiply with the same way. The whole thing you should write 4a squared minus 8 by 3 b squared, like this we should write. Now let's multiply. Now we have to multiply 3 by 4 into 4. Now we are going to multiply these two. 3 by 4 into 4, actually 3 4s are 12. A squared into a squared, a power 4. Denominator nothing is there now, 1. So 1 4s are 4, like this you should write. Second one, when you are multiplying this, numerator should be multiplied, denominator should multiple. 8 3s are 24. Here we have a squared, here we have b squared. So you should write a squared b squared by 4 3s are 12. That is your answer. Plus here first these two, 3 4s are 12. Here we have b squared and a squared. So we can write it as a squared b squared also. And this one, this 3 8s are 24, minus is there. So minus 24 b squared by 3. Like this which we should write. Now we have to go for the cancellation. 4 and 12 come in 4 table. 4 1s are 4 3s are. So 3a power 4 and 12 1s are 12 2s are 24. So minus 2 a squared b squared is the second term. Third term, it's already 12 a squared b squared. The last term 1 time 8 times 8 3s are 24. So minus 8 b squared. Now we have two terms, a squared b squared. Here also a squared b squared. One is a plus number, another one is a minus number. So we can subtract. 3a power 4 we can keep as it is. These two are like terms. Both are a squared b squared. So 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Let us subtract. So 10 a squared b squared will come. Big number sign plus. So we have to write the plus here. Last term 8b squared, that should be written as it is. That is your correct answer. That's all students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.